Hey guys, I wanted to show you another great gift idea for the gardeners in your life. So my friends over at Gardener Supply Company sent me over this really great gift basket. It's called the Veggie Gardener's Gift Basket. If we haven't met yet, hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranberry Fields Flower Farm here in New Jersey. So here's what this kit is all about. So it has these really cool biodegradable pots. It comes with seeds. This one came with pepper and bean and cucumber and basil, so some herbs and veggies. It comes with this gardener's ties that you can use again and again. This is great for tomatoes and beans when they get really, really tall. They've included fertilizer to keep your plants nice and healthy once they get started. And check out this really great shovel. I love this shovel because it has this really nice pointy tip. It's got a really huge space here to dig up lots of soil easily, and it's got a really sturdy grip. It's a terrific tool. They've also included these really sturdy pruners. It's got a nice grip. To keep your rows nice and straight, they put in some of this string that's attached to these two brown wooden pieces that will help your garden rows look super straight. And then they have some markers for when your veggies start taking off. You'll know what they are, and you can label it with this black marker that they've included. They also gave seed starter, more of these biodegradable pots. And I want to show you the basket. The basket's really cool because as you're harvesting your garden vegetables, what you can do is you can rinse them off right inside this basket. So you can use them to go right fresh from the garden to your sink and you're good to go. So another great gift idea from the folks over at Gardener Supply Company. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to this product in the description below. Have a great day, everybody.